Hello and welcome to the DVC Shop YouTube channel. I'm David, and in this video we'll be covering how far in advance you can book a Disney Vacation Club reservation. In order to talk about how far in advance you can book a reservation with DVC, you'll first need to know about the booking windows that Disney has afforded to all owners. And stick around to the end of the video, where we'll be covering some great tips and tricks to book even the most sought-after reservations in the Disney Vacation Club system. First up, we have the 11-month booking window. This window spans from 11 months to 7 months and 1 day prior to your desired check-in date. DVC members have exclusive access to booking at their home resort during this booking window. The fact that members have a priority booking window at their home resort before other members with differing home resorts are allowed to book can be a big consideration for people looking into purchasing a Disney Vacation Club membership. Keep in mind that reservations are always made on a first-come, first-served basis, so booking as early as possible is always recommended. Booking windows open at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, so the earliest any DVC member can book a reservation would be 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 11 months prior to their desired check-in date. And you can book a maximum of 7 nights at your home resort during this booking window. Next, we have the 7-month booking window. This is for reservations made at any DVC resort available to you. You can still book at your home resort, but at 7 months or less prior to your desired check-in date, you can begin to book other resorts in the DVC network. While you will be working with less availability at each resort, you will have many more resorts to choose from. Keep in mind that longer stays and smaller room types like studios could be more challenging to book, so always make sure to plan ahead. Finally, we'll cover some expert tips and tricks to help you book even the most desirable reservations. Split stays can be a great option where you'll basically string together one or more reservations to get the dates you want. You can either try booking a different room size or even book at a secondary DVC resort that has the dates you need. You would need to plan for checking out of one reservation, then checking into a new one, but this can be a great way to explore all of what DVC has to offer while getting the dates you need for your vacation. The Switch-A-Roo is also a popular option. This entails booking a reservation at your home resort during the 11-month booking window, then trying to change the reservation to a different location once the 7-month booking window opens up. This can help offer peace of mind, knowing that you have something booked. If you are traveling to the Disney World parks and you own at a resort near the parks, you can even start booking airfare and making other travel arrangements without any worry. If you have your heart set on a location and date that is not available, utilizing Waitlists is another great option. Disney allows members to waitlist a maximum of 2 reservations, which will keep you at the front of the queue if any new availability opens up. Keep in mind that once a waitlist reservation is confirmed, if you need to cancel the reservation 30 days or less prior to check-in, the points used will go into a holding account. We'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested in learning more about DVC waitlists and how they work. The final option is to simply book your reservation using cash through the Disney website or working with a rental company such as DVC Shop. Booking cash reservations directly through Disney may not be the most cost-effective option, but you can also browse some of DVC Shop's great confirmed reservations to see if there's a reservation that fits your needs. We'll leave a link in the description below to the confirmed reservation section of the DVC Shop website. So to recap, the farthest in advance you can book a DVC reservation would be 11 months prior to check-in if you're booking your home resort. If you wish to travel to other non-home resorts, the farthest in advance you can book would be 7 months. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to the DVC Shop YouTube channel. We have some great educational videos coming out soon, so be sure to turn on notifications to be the first one to know when they're released. Additionally, feel free to join our email newsletter by going to dvcshop.com/signup or clicking the link in the description. You'll get exclusive discounts and you'll be the first to know when we release new and price-reduced DVC resales and rentals. Thank you for watching, and happy traveling!